Action SA's parliamentary chief whip Lerato Ngobeni has vowed to take legal action if the leader of the Cape Independence Advocacy Group, Phil Craig, is granted South African citizenship. Craig, who is believed to hold dual South African and British citizenship, has been vocal proponent of the Western Cape succession from South Africa. His stance has drawn sharp criticism from Action SA, which argues that his advocacy directly undermines national unity. In a letter dated March 27, Ngobeni urged Home Affairs Minister Leon Schreiber to deny Craig's citizenship application, stating that he does not meet the legal requirements outlined in the South African Citizenship Act of 1995. Action SA is of the view that any individual who advocates for the succession of the Western Cape and actively undermines the unity of Republic of South Africa is not an individual of good character as required by the Act. She also questioned Craig's intent to reside in South Africa, arguing that his push for the Western Cape to separate suggests he has not desired to remain part of the country, and said any individual who sows such disunity amongst South Africans and clearly wishes for the Western Cape not to be part of the Republic should certainly not be given the privilege of South African citizenship. Ngobeni warned that should Schreiber approve Craig's application, Action SA would explore legal avenues to challenge the decision. Craig's dual citizenship status has been a point of contention among political parties. ATM leader Vuyo Zungula previously questioned whether Schreiber would initiate a review of Craig's citizenship, citing concerns that his leadership of his successionist movement threatened South Africa's territorial integrity. Schreiber, however, defended the government's stance, stating that South Africa does not persecute individuals based on their political views. Despite this, ATM spokesperson Zaman Jona criticized what the party sees as an inadequate response from the Home Affairs Department regarding Craig's status. As the debate over Cape independence continues to stir political tensions, the fate of Craig's citizenship application remains uncertain.